Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Filipa and this is a little Matilda Atelier. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the contents of this pretty parcel. It's from Paperprettyink on Instagram. I came across Reilyn's account a few months ago and I fell in love for desk setups. She has beautiful stamps and beautiful papers, vintage old papers, and so I had to pre-order one of her pretty paper parcels. And let's do this. So pretty. Wow, look at this. I have raffle tickets, all beautiful wax seal. So beautiful. It says imagination will take you everywhere. Yeah, I can relate. So beautiful, so beautiful. No. I don't even know where to start. I don't want to damage. It's so beautiful like this. Well, anyways, it has a beautiful postcard from Portugal, from Oliveira das Mães. It's a vintage one, dated from 1914. I love these things. It has crepe paper. It has, so pretty. Put these in here aside. Oh my god. Oh, look at these. It's a present. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's illustrations, mini illustrations. Look. They're so pretty. This is Aquarius. Try not to damage. Okay. So it has some vintage pages from old books. Envelopes. More papers. Oh wow, look, a calendar from 1986. Oh. An old letter from 1929. Another. So pretty. Looks like stamps. So cute. More vintage pages from old books. Bus tickets. Botanical illustration. Oh my god, look at this. Berlin Pimpi. It's in Portuguese. Yeah. It's from an old paper journal. I will keep all of these to recycle. So pretty. A letter from Reilyn. Thank you, Reilyn. I will read it later. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. It's one of the Portuguese caravelas. The saga of ships. Is it? Yeah. Yep, it is. Vasco da Gama. So, yeah. Love it. Oh, it's so pretty. I love old portraits. Oh, absolutely love this. So many little treasures, so many details. Beautiful. You can see the amount of love of putting this together. Old invoices, recipes. Beautiful stamp. Another sealing box with mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Beautiful papers. Vintage pages from an old dictionary. Illustration. So pretty. I will have a hard time putting this back together, but I think that I will use them straight away. Oh my goodness, this is from an old school book, a page from a homework book or old school book. So pretty. Stamps. This reminds me, when I was a teenager I used to pen pal, and I have a few friends in Portugal, in Lisbon, in Porto, in different parts of Portugal, and we used to pen pal mostly every week, and we used to send this paper that used to smell so good. We used to call it folhinhas amorosas. It's in Portuguese, so in English it's the oh, so beautiful. Love these pictures, old pictures. In English is sweet paper, like sweet paper or smelly paper, I don't know, or cute paper. And we used to exchange and to swap between us. And so these are things that are really special for me. More pages. And look at this. Yeah. I remember opening the envelopes and taking out all these little treasures, so I'm having a flashback. Oh. I wonder who are these guys. So cute. I love it. More raffle tickets, bus tickets, or train tickets, illustrations. More pictures. So beautiful. Put this back together. We have here envelopes. I love this. I love these. And I don't remember seeing these. I love this. I love this sheep's collection. More vintage pages from old books. Postcards. Ha! It's so polished. I remember these. I remember these. So pretty. Lots of vintage goodies. So beautiful. From 1965. It's in Portuguese, but it also says the start. It begins with "My day rises with the perfume, the sweet perfume of these rose buttons." So beautiful. Oh my god. Labels, envelopes, another picture, another old portrait. It's a postcard. Picture from magazines, fuzzy cats from magazines. But I will use it for my bullet journal or for my journals. Might put these in here. I don't want to lose any. A postcard, the Champs-Élysées. Paper goodies. An envelope. I wonder who were these people? What stories they hide? More paper goodies. Oh my god, I had these Caderno Diario. Oh, I love it! I love it! I had these when I was in Key Stage 1. The back of the Christmas postcard. More newspaper pages. An envelope. And more illustrations with stamps. So pretty. So pretty. I'm so happy with my new parcel. And now it's time to put these together and start working on some paper goodies. I hope that you had fun watching this video, and if you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to click the button subscribe for videos every week. And I've been a little bit absent for the last few months, but I wanted to make videos every week, but I've been making one a month because life has been pretty hectic. But I will try to be more present in this space. Hey guys, have a wonderful day. Wherever you are. Love you. Bye bye.